You all are welcome in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discussing about implications of the new structure in teacher education in the light of National Education Policy NEP 2020. According to National Education Policy 2020, in order to improve and reach the levels of integrity and credibility required to restore the prestige of the teaching profession, the regulatory system shall be empowered to take stringent action against substandard and dysfunctional teacher education institutions that do not meet basic educational criteria after giving 1 year of remedy of the breaches. By 2030, only educationally sound, multidisciplinary and integrated teacher education program shall be in force. A teacher education requires multidisciplinary inputs and education in high quality content as well as pedagogy. All teacher education programs must be conducted within composite multidisciplinary institutions. To this end, all multidisciplinary universities and colleges will aim to establish education departments which, besides carrying out cutting-edge research in various aspects of education, will also run B.Ed, Bachelor of Education programs, or Integrated Teacher Education program, that is called ITEP, in collaboration with other departments such as psychology, philosophy, sociology, Indian languages, arts, music, history, literature, physical education, science and mathematics, etc. Moreover, all stand-alone teacher education institutions will be required to convert to multidisciplinary institutions by 2030, since they will have to offer the 4-year integrated teacher education program. The 4-year integrated teacher education program, that is maybe B.Ed, offered by such multidisciplinary higher education institution will by 2030 become the minimal degree qualification for school teachers. The 4-year integrated B.Ed will be a dual major holistic bachelor's degree in education as well as a specialized subject such as a language, history, music, mathematics, computer science, chemistry, economics, art, physical education, etc. Beyond the teaching of cutting-edge pedagogy, the teacher education will include grounding in sociology, history, science, psychology, early childhood care and education, foundational literacy and numeracy, knowledge of India and its values, ethos, art, traditions, and more. The higher education institutions offer the 4-year integrated B.Ed may also run a 2-year B.Ed for students who have already received a bachelor's degree in a specialized subject. A 1-year B.Ed may also be offered for candidates who have received a 4-year undergraduate degree in a specialized subject. Scholarships for meritorious students will be established for the purpose of attracting outstanding candidates to the 4-year, 2-year and 1-year B.Ed programs. Higher education institutions offering teacher education programs will ensure the availability of a range of experts in education and related disciplines as well as specialized subjects. Each higher education institutions will have a network of government and private schools to work closely with, where potential teachers will student teach along with participating in other activities such as community services, adult and vocational education, etc. In order to maintain uniform standards for teacher education, the admission to pre-service teacher preparation programs shall be through suitable subject and aptitude tests conducted by the National Testing Agency, that is NTA, and shall be standardized, keeping in view the linguistic and cultural diversity of the country. In National Education Policy, that is NEP 2020, the proposed structural implications in teacher education aimed at expanding teacher training capacity, increasing access to training opportunities for females, especially in rural areas, improving the quality of teacher education programs, strengthening the teacher training planning and management by the National Council for Teacher Education, that is called NCTE. The teacher education programs addressed in the proposed qualifications in education an integrated approach. There are many implications of the proposed new 4-year integrated teacher education program ITEP for school from primary to secondary. The status of the teacher will not only be enhanced by their educational capabilities, will definitely be improved after completing 4 years training after 12th or intermediate. The integrated range of teacher education programs will result in better teachers and better education in our schools ready to face the challenges with the new aspirations. B.Ed programs will be of 4 years with a multidisciplinary structure. For those from different master's degree or 4-year bachelor's degree, the B.Ed course will be for 1 year. B.Ed and DLEd will be considered under the banner or umbrella of the B.Ed. Teacher education in universities will be stage specific based on the educational stage they wish to teach. Specialized teachers for arts and vocational courses or local art, literature, crafts are trained with a special course of 1 year. All B.Ed programs will include educating on subjects like multidisciplinary teaching and evaluation, tutoring especially abled children, technology in education, and more. Stand-alone teacher education institutions will be closed or merged or converted to higher education institutions. Volunteers, ex-government workers, includes ex-military, and counselors are encouraged to educate children by joining local schools. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe, like and share the channel Dr. Muhammad Afroz Alam. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.